Hi, I'm Kate McCauley from Pattern Emporium. Let me show you how to bounce a seam. So often when you sew the side seams, or even centre back, centre front seams, especially on a long seam, you'll get, I don't know if you can see it there, you'll get, it kind of pulls a little bit, so you get a little bit of puckering. So, you find the seam again. Okay, so see how it's pulling down the bottom there. So to bounce the seam, all we need to do is hold the seam in our hands and just a small amount, just from the waist down to the hem, and give it a bit of a bounce. So you're not bouncing so much that you snap it, you just bounce it. And what happens is, and this is not 9 seam yet, so take that into account, is all those puckers magically drop out.